Every second, thousands of volts of electricity rush through power lines. So why don't birds sitting right on them get electrocuted? Are birds somehow immune to electricity? Or is something else happening? Electricity is actually lazy. It only moves when it has somewhere to go. Scientists call this a circuit, a complete path from one place to another. No path, no shock. When a bird lands on a power line, both feet touch the same wire. That means both feet have the same electrical pressure, called voltage. Since there's no difference between the feet, electricity ignores the bird completely. It simply keeps flowing through the wire instead. But birds are not invincible. If a bird touches two wires at the same time, or a wire and a metal pole, electricity suddenly finds a path, and that's when electrocution happens. Large birds like eagles are more at risk because their wingspan is wider. Humans almost always stand on the ground, so if you touch a power line, electricity travels through you instantly. Wire, body, ground. Circuit complete. Which is why power lines are extremely dangerous. So birds don't survive because they're special. They survive because electricity has nowhere to go. And right now, even while sitting still, electricity and energy are moving all around you. You just can't see it.